everybody, it's Scott from National Cycle. Today we're back in the studio. We're going to be installing a brand new windshield on this hot new mid-weight adventure bike, Suzuki VStrom 800 DE. A great simple upgrade. It'll really improve the performance of the windshield to get you more comfort going down the road. Very simple install, so let's get started. Okay, to get started, all you're going to need is your 4mm Allen wrench. Is to remove the 4 mounting bolts that hold it in place. Now this is set up on a well nut system. So when you go to loosen these, the bolt might spin a little bit. So all I got to do is just reach behind there, kind of touch the well nut a little bit, and I'll give it just enough tension to loosen it up, and it comes right out. Now you don't have to take them all the way out. Just got to loosen them up. The windshield will come right off. Alright, now we got the stock windshield off. You want to make sure when you go to reinstall everything, all the well nuts are in the same position on each of the series of holes there. These holes allow you to adjust the windshield so you can get the proper height view as a rider. And when you go to reinstall the windshield, you want to reuse the original bolt and the original washer. Take your new VStream. This is going to be the new tall VStream for the bike. Line it up. Slide into place. You want to go very tight right away. You want to leave it a little loose, so you can make any little adjustments you need to do and make sure everything lines up properly. And just tighten it up so it feels nice and firmly tightened. There you are, you're all set to go. Alright, and there you have it. Nice, easy, simple, straightforward installation. Looks great on the bike. It's going to give you great protection going down the road. Solid polycarbonate construction, our quantum hard coating, 3-year warranty against breakage, and made here in Chicago. How can you go wrong with this windshield? So check this shield out, other shields for this bike, and everything we made for National Cycle. Check out our website, nationalcycle.com, and feel free to also visit us on our social media platforms on Instagram, Facebook, and our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your ride.